Hey guys, this is Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business for a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just want you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I was looking at your website, and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to it, and obviously some more revenue to your business. So one of the first things I noticed is that we don't have a whole lot of call to actions where it says call us or any submit forms up here at the top. So that would probably help you get some conversions is having a submit form. Um, but it looks like y'all service a lot of towns and areas in your region. So that's pretty cool. I did notice that when I pulled you up, you've got a lot of traffic coming to you and you're being found for a lot of keywords. Your UR and DR is kind of off. This should be a lot higher. But when I search right here, you're searching for, you guys are being found number one right here. I would definitely focus on keeping that GMB rank number one and getting ranked for multiple keywords. This looks really good. Keep up getting the reviews and stuff like that. So I have a software that automatically sends out review campaigns to clients that you close, so that can really help with getting those reviews. You could also focus more on Facebook and social media and getting leads like that. So whenever I look at your website, I want to make sure we have around 1,500 words of content, and it looks like you guys do. Um, as far as all this goes, the best thing to do is just make sure that these pictures are saved the right way. So if I come over here and I click here, I want to make sure that this right here is saved the proper way with the keywords and that people are searching for. So if it's commercial roofing services in New Jersey, that's what we want to save these photos as. That could help you guys rank because whenever I search for, that search, your website doesn't show up. So if the website does not show up to GMBs, your website's nowhere to be found in the top 10. So that would really help you guys if you, focus more on keyword research. Another thing is, we could also run landing pages for your business if you want to run ads or anything like that for, storm damage or anything like that. We could run a simple landing page, something that whenever people click on there, it's got a call to action button, a submit form with a call to action. Show some of your reviews, some pictures of some work done, a description about your business, and so on. So nobody gets lost in this website because it's just to convert leads. If I come back to your website, yours has got all these buttons, it's got all kinds of a lot of information on here, which is really good, but it can also confuse customers and not getting conversions. So again, we can run these landing pages to ads or Facebook posts or anything like that. So people just come in here, they call you or submit a form to get their ad. So when you get inside the software, it kind of looks something like this. You can connect all your social medias. Come over here to marketing, and we can post recurring posts so that you're set up a couple hundred posts every few months. We have automations, like I said, that review management for us. So if you close a client, you'll go out an hour after you close them and get that review for you automatically. We have unlimited sites, so we can run funnels. There's landing pages where we have unlimited those. It shows reputation management also, where you can kind of keep up with your Google businesses, reviews and requests, and then it has all your reporting for Google ads and Facebook ads. So if we started running ads or anything, you can go into your dashboard and you can see where your money's going and seeing what your conversions look like. So, with that being said, I hope this helps. I would just focus really on getting some more citations for your GMB, keep the GMB ranking, and then get you some better backlinks so you can rank your website. So with that being said, I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Love to sit down with you guys, see if I can help you grow your business. Thank you.